Okay, looks like we are about done. So, who can describe to me what an acute angle is? Please raise your hand. Brianna.
It's less than 90 degrees.
Less than 90 degrees, right? So it's a small angle, like we did with our arms.
Yes.
It'll be something like this. Thumbs up. We all got an acute angle is smaller than 90 degrees. Don't have all thumbs. Okay. We will skip right angle. Let's do obtuse angle. Who can tell me what describe an obtuse angle? Karina.
It's more than 80 degrees, but less than 180 degrees.
No, 360.
Greater than 90 and less than 180 degrees.
Hey, I don't even know where you're at.
Okay, if you have a question, please raise your hand. We are on the second page in the do now. So like Karina said, your obtuse angle should be bigger than the right angle. So if a right angle is like this, it should be bigger, but it should not be a straight line. Question, Josh?
Wasn't Simon Says you have?
It was. We're just, good question. We are just writing down what we learned in the hook. Okay, and we should all know that a straight angle is a straight line. Good job. So, today we will be learning how to measure. We will be learning how to measure angles using protractors. Turn back to your front page, and who can read me why are angles important? The first bullet point. Who can read this for me?
Ooh, I can.
We're not shouting out. Richard.
Runners can adjust the angle that a treadmill makes with the ground in order to have an easier or intense workout.
Right. So, one way that you can see angles in real life is sometimes maybe at the gym, or if your parents have a treadmill at home where you run on, you can change the height, and then here's an angle. There are other places that you can see angles in real life. Who can read this one for me? Stella.
You can find and use angles in sports such as baseball, soccer, and basketball to measure the field or shoot a ball.
Good, thank you. So we will be working on that a little bit later, but it's pretty neat to be able to actually see imaginary angles, such as right angles in a field, like a soccer field, or acute angles or obtuse angles in a baseball diamond. Okay, so for today's vocab, you'll see on your interactive handout there are different blanks. Whenever we get to a green word in the slide, that's the word you should be filling in the blank. But I need your help, so while we go through it, I need people to help me read it too, okay? So who can read our first vocabulary point, bullet point? Christian.
Yes.
Help us read it, please.
An angle is formed by two rays with a common endpoint called the vertex.
An angle is formed by two rays with a common endpoint called the vertex. Good. So, in your blank space, you should be writing angle, rays, and vertex. Okay, who can read number 2, the second bullet point for me? Stella.
An angle can be named by its vertex or by its vertex or by its vertex and the point
name of this angle? Raise your hand, please. Someone other than the cell of the participants, and I know more of you know it. Brian.
Cute.
Okay, to the acute angle, what would be the name of it? How would we read it if we're saying this type of, this angle? Out there?
R-A-Y.
R-A-Y, good. Or it even could be labeled angle Y-A-R. Okay, Brian?
Yeah, one.
Good, good. Yeah, acute. Okay, next.